All right, we record. What's up?
Oh my god.
All right, so we're checking out from this Airbnb after 4 nights and heading to this other house where we'll be meeting up with a bunch of other YouTubers and Amazon people for the next few days and for the event. The check-in to the event is tonight. There's an opening keynote that we're gonna try to get to and get all checked in. But first we have to get to that house once we can get there. So yeah, not sure what we'll do in between, but let's go. Sorry if my voice is fucked up. I got some like allergic reaction or something. I don't even know if it's like a plant that grows here or if there's something with that place, but I was like dying last night. So my voice might be a little bit wheezy today. I don't know what's going on. For now, we're just headed to get some coffee or bone broth or something like that. Yeah, anyways, GTR update. How do you feel about it, Jessica? Any updates since last time we showed?
I think I got used to it.
Yeah, I got a little more used to it. It's I don't think I would own one. It's just a little too unrefined. It's like, it doesn't feel like a high-end car. I mean, it has a lot of power and stuff, but it's really cool for somebody that would be coming up from like, you know, like JDM, like tuner car. Like then I totally get the appeal, but for me, I like something a little bit more refined and packaged and high-end feeling.
Do you trust it?
No.
Do you trust your Porsche more?
Yes. Yeah, it just kind of feels half broken at any given time, to be honest. Like a lot of like rattles and noises and weird stuff, and it loses traction super easily. How's the drink?
So good. I wish they had stuff like this in LA.
Dude, well, let me introduce the house. So this house, Greg from Jungle Scout hooked us up for the next few days for the event.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you guys don't know Greg is the founder, CEO of Jungle Scout.
I'm excited to be here. The weekend, we got a host of awesome people all in the Amazon space. We're gonna spend the weekend hanging out, talking about Amazon, talking about business, but more importantly, just having fun. When you guys see the house, you'll know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I'm about to do a tour, so yeah, dude, thanks a ton. Awesome. So this is from the outside. Looks very unassuming, but you guys will be blown away how freaking huge this thing is. There's a little sneak peek of the view. Quick little tour, and then maybe some epic B-roll for a sec. I probably won't even show the whole thing because it's just too freaking big. I don't even know my way around this place. Really sweet view. Up there, I think is the biggest master, right? Master bedroom. I probably won't go up there. I don't know who's gonna be in there. But cool little office. Freaking mega gigantic kitchen. Hooked up with Jungle Scout swag. This is the main, just like living room, I guess you'd say. Attached to the kitchen. I think this place is like
playing outside.
7,000.
Oh god.
Shit. There's Tom Wong.
I'm the only girl here.
Yeah, this view is pretty crazy. Hopefully the camera shows just how like wide and tall it is, but it's pretty crazy. David, you want to say what's up?
What's going on, man? How you doing? Yo, welcome to my crib. Let me show you around. Safety first, guys. Here we have the pool.
This is a pool.
And stuff. We got a basketball court, hot tub. And then, yeah, you know, guys, I didn't always slip lip.
Oh god.
I think it's like.
I got him.
Anyways, here it is from the back. Super cool. View, all this. Let's go get away from the water situation. Have you been over there?
Yeah.
I mean, this is your house, right? So, like, you know the way around,
Yeah,
right?
just make yourself feel like home, you know?
I wonder if
Oh,
it's...
it's locked.
First time I've been down here, though. Seems like this cool game room type situation. Little mini kitchen, ping pong, air hockey, pool, foosball.
I've never played this. You got a gigantic blue ball.
We got piano, we got drums. I think that's all I'm gonna bother showing for now. There's just like a maze of bedrooms otherwise. I think it's like 7 bed, 7 bath. Oh, sorry, Tom. Yeah, ours is up there, but won't bother showing all that. But yeah, pretty sick. So definitely thanks to Greg and Jungle Scout for hooking this up. definitely very, very, very cool of them. All right, we recording. What's up?
Oh my god.
Dude, how's it going?
Looks huge.
Dude, it's gigantic.
See you.
Freaking ginormous.
Hi, I'm Jessica.
Go for it.
Where is it?
There's like 800 of them. I don't even know.
There's one right.
All right, we're gonna head over to the event. This is just the check-in and an opening keynote, but yeah, let's see what it's about. Wild Sammer. Dude, I think we're gonna go check out the opening thing. Do you want to come? Do you want to be squeezed into the back of a GTR?
If you want, I'll squeeze in the back.
There's just 4 seats, but it's pretty small. Oh, into the cactus.
Oh fuck, dude. Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm holding it right now. I'm not letting it die.
Saved by the Jungle Scout sticker. It's hilarious. I think it seems to be working, yeah. It might still be losing air, like, I don't hear it, but I think it's good. You should put your seatbelt on though, I don't trust this car. Ryan, where are you taking us? We just experienced Texas for the first time. At least our preconceptions of what Texas is, because Austin did not seem to be Texas, but we saw some Texas on the way here. Yeah.
Saw horses.
And tractors.
Yeah. We finally got the Texas experience.
Thank you, Ryan Daniel Moran.
Ryan Daniel Moran.
Yes.
Welcome, Mercer.
Is that him in a suit?
Oh shit. That's definitely Ryan.
Wait, you should call that his name? Dodo?
What's up, dude?
Good to meet you. Hey, hi guys.
How do you guys feel tonight? And what's magical about experiences like this is when you have 2 people or 3 people or a group of people who come together with a similar intent and connect over the same purpose, the same mission, the same mindset. Crazy things happen.
The people who have grown brands to 9 figures look at business differently than we do. The way I used to look at things, having started with no money, started from the bottom, how we do. But yeah, started from there, man, working a job, no money, the whole thing. And I would always look at advertising as like, if something doesn't work, turn it off. But what I noticed when I looked at the analytics of like dozens of $50 to $200 million commerce brands was that they don't look at advertising that way. They all have one channel that subsidizes all of the rest of their channels. Let me explain. Most of the time it's Google organic traffic or Google AdWords traffic. Sometimes it's Facebook and sometimes it's Amazon, but predominantly it's Google organic and Google AdWords for these giant companies. And that would be a very profitable source of customer acquisition. Or it'll be repeat business. People are coming back and buying from them. And they'll be, like for you guys, you might have a brand that does 100 grand a month, all free Amazon sales, maybe you spend a little bit on Amazon, but that channel, Amazon, is super profitable. So what they do is they then take all that profit and they reinvest 100% of it back into ads on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on AdWords to buy customers at a loss. Break even or a loss. But they're growing their customer base. So when they run an email sale at the end of the year, they have more customers, therefore more profits.
Good to meet you. What's up? Say hi to the vlog. What's up?
Hi.
Hey. Nice to meet you. I'm Matt.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's up?
On the vlog?
Yeah, 100%.
What's up? Follow me at this tab.
Blew it. All right, so it's super late, but that was a really good opening first night. Really excited for the next couple days, so definitely watch the next probably 2 videos. I'm probably gonna do a video every day that I'm here. So check those out. Sorry about my voice. Anyways, hopefully this video is pretty cool, even though it's probably like shorter vlog style. Let me know how you liked it. Drop a comment. If you got this far, please do hit the like button. Really makes a big difference. I'm realizing that more and more as I learn more about YouTube. Really helps get the video out there, and I just want to reach more people, help more people, connect with more people. So please do that, it means a lot. Subscribe, hit the bell if you want more videos, if you have not already. I also respond to comments, so check out down there. See you guys in the next video. So we're in this fucking gigantic house that Greg Mercer from Jungle Scout hooked us up with for the next like 3 nights for the event. This place is absolutely ridiculous. Super big.